Today, we're diving into an immersive experience of fixing a smartphone, or at least pretending we know what we're doing. Alright, first step, turn it on. Oh, perfect. It doesn't even light up. Great start. Maybe it's the battery, or maybe it's just cursed. Hard to say at this point. Okay, unscrewing the first screw. Why are these always so tiny? Who designed this? Ants. Second screw weight. It just rolled away. Yep, gone forever. Rest in peace, little buddy. Okay, finally got the back cover off. And what's this? Dust. Crumbs. Did someone use this phone as a cookie plate? Let's poke around. Battery looks swollen. Nice. Like a balloon ready to pop. If I touch it wrong, I might go boom. Imagine the headlines. Guy explodes trying to fix phone. Pulling the battery out, except it doesn't want to come out. It's glued like a stubborn X. Careful, careful. Oh look, it's bending. That can't be good. Victory, the battery's out, and my fingers are still intact. Amazing. Now, plugging in the new one. Oh wait, the connector doesn't fit. Of course it doesn't. Did I order the wrong part? Or is this just the universe trolling me? Fine, let's try another cable. Click. Oh, that actually worked. I almost don't trust it. Screwing things back in. One screw, two screws. Wait, why do I have one left over? This is fine. Totally fine. Extra screws are just optional, right? Okay, back cover on. Looks normal enough. No one will notice the missing screw. Pressing the power button, drum roll in my head, and nothing, absolutely nothing. Great, I just turned a broken phone into an even more broken phone. Genius at work. Wait, let me plug in the charger. Beep. Oh my god, it lit up. It's alive? I swear, this is better than winning the lottery. The screen actually works, and it didn't explode. That's what I call success. So yeah, the phone is fixed. Kind of. Hopefully don't shake it too hard. And that's today's journey. Frustration, despair, and finally, glorious triumph. But wait, just because it turned on doesn't mean it's fixed. It's stuck on the logo screen. What is this? Meditation mode. I'm staring at the screen like I'm waiting for a movie premiere that will never start. Alright, let's force restart. Come on, buddy, don't play dead on me. And of course, it boots into safe mode. Safe, for me, is the opposite of safe. This screen looks emptier than my bank account. At this point, I swear the phone is mocking me. Should I open it up again? No. I already bled once. This time, I'll just cry. I whisper to the phone. Please, I'm even willing to buy you a nice case. Just work with me, bro. And then, a miracle. It restarts on its own and actually loads the home screen. For a second, I almost got on my knees to thank you for blessing me with hope. And then, bam, a software update notification pops up. An update now. Are you kidding me? I smashed remind me later. And honestly, later might mean never. I start testing. Camera works. Wi-Fi connects. Screen is bright. Wow, it's more stable than my life. But then, the speaker's dead silent. Of course. Perfect. Half a fix. I tap on it like it's an old TV, make some noise, and suddenly it croaks. It sounds like a digital frog being strangled. I laugh so hard I almost cry. Fixing phones really is an endless loop of chaos. Finally, I stare at this half-alive device and think, well, at least today, I won. Just a little bit.